Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing heroforge videos again. Okay, so here we are going to make a guy with a mustache holding a book. So that's my goal. And here I have put the mustache already. I have removed the hair, and yeah, we just need to make him look like a guy holding a book. Okay, now we'll have to put the gardener skin because yeah, my goal is to make a gardener holding a book, and so I'm trying to search for that. I haven't gotten, so I have to make it manually. Let's make him wear the glasses because why not? Okay, that he looks like a villain. Anyways, now we are going to put some cloth on him. Okay, we have put that. That one seems nice, and for the overcoat neck, we'll put that. Let's not put that then. We'll put gloves because yeah, and for the pants that's okay, and this one's even better. That it looks neat. Now we are going to put something. Actually, not. Okay, we are going to make him wear a hat. We okay. That seems okay, I think. And okay, he's a guy watering plants, so of course we need something related to plants. So yeah, we'll make him wear not wear hold a book. Yeah, that was one of my goal. Make him have a book. Okay, the book seems to be clipping into his hand. Let it be there. Okay, we now put a water bottle because yeah, of course. Okay, now he is going to have two towels attached to his pocket, and okay, now we need something to put on. Yeah, we need to make him pose like he's reading the book, otherwise it will look all messed up. Okay, so the hard part about this is arranging everything. So this is how it works. Okay. uh, yeah, it seems difficult and all, but it's actually easy once you get to know the controls. We can change the position of the trowel as well. So I wonder why he has two trowels. Should have thought about that. And okay, now we'll have to put something underneath. Let's put my name because of course I created it. And then alright, for colors we'll put something because yeah, we need to put colors, otherwise he'll look ugly. This one seems nice actually. Now for decorations, no need of masters decorations, no need of anything like that on the book. That will just look ugly. This was taken during the Fool's Gold update or something. So we can't. So you can see stuff there. Okay, we can put stuff inside the page now. Okay, now we are going to put a label somewhere. Okay, now what is that? Oh, right, his dress. Should we put him have holy colors on it or something? No, because yeah, now we'll have to and yeah, now we have to take the photo. And thank you guys. See you next time. Please subscribe and like. Make sure to share if you like the video. Thank you.